What is up, you guys? It's Mariah and welcome back to another video. In today's video, your girl's getting her hair laid and slayed, honey, okay? If you want to see the entire process from start to finish, just continue to keep on watching. So first things first, thank you so much to Ali Pearl for sponsoring today's video and sending me over this bomb wig unit, you guys. If you want to shop, the link will be down below in the description box. So be sure to go ahead and click that link to shop to get your hair laid and slayed like this, okay? I know y'all are gonna love this wig unit, so go ahead and head over to Ft.Alipearlhair.com to see all the rest of their amazing wig units. They also have bundles. Girl, they got everything, okay? Ali Pearl is where it's at. So once again, thank you so much to them for sponsoring today's video, and let's go ahead and get into the install. So first things first, the key to any bomb install is getting that ball cap method down pat, okay? And one thing about my hairstylist, she gonna do it every time. Like, here I am under the dryer, letting that ball cap kind of just melt into my skin. Like I said before, it's to give me that flawless install. And Ali Pearl was so nice enough to send your girl over some goodies. I love a good goodie bag, okay? They sent your girl over so many things. And here I am showing you all the goodies that Ali Pearl sent over to me. This was so sweet of them. They sent your girl over an elastic band, which has their branding on it. Let's talk about it, okay? Because the branding is on point, super cute. Moving along, they also gave me an edge brush, y'all. I really needed a new one, like desperately, so I'm really happy that they sent this over to me. And last but not least, they also gave me a really cute pair of lashes with the branding on it as well. Like, Ali Pearl does not miss with the branding or the wig units. Okay, let's talk about it. Okay, so boom, we're out of the dryer and now we are cutting the ball cap to match it to my hairline. Whenever I go to my hairstylist, we have the best conversations. Like, not gonna lie, some of your deepest, best, like juiciest conversations are with your hairstylist. I don't know if that's just me and my hairstylist, but we go together real bad. Okay, so in between the clips, you will see us just chopping it up, laughing, talking, having a good old time. That's really my girl, and she always does such a good job on my hair. Especially with Ali Pearl, because the wig turned out amazing, y'all. And once the glue was dry, she went ahead and laid the lace on my head, y'all. And we were both in shock with how bomb the quality of this wig was. Like, it melted right into my skin as soon as she laid it on there. Like, it's giving wet scalp at this point. And she didn't even cut the lace yet. Like, let's talk about it. In this next portion, you see her just straightening my hair. Just to give y'all examples of how bomb the quality is on this wig unit, you can wear it straight, y'all. You can wear it curly, crimps, whatever. It's so versatile. You cannot go wrong with this wig unit. So many ways to style it, but I just chose to do bombshell curls in the end, which you guys will see later in the video. And if I'm not mistaken, my hairstylist did add some heat protectant And y'all, when I tell y'all that's all the product she added to the hair while straightening it, no silkening oil needed. The hair is super, super silky, super soft. It's giving silk wax. That's what she was talking about. And this is my favorite part, y'all. When they take that elastic band off and it's melting like that, like, excuse me? Like, you have to be kidding me. Like, it was just unbelievable. Like, the lace on this wig unit is so good. Like I just couldn't get over how silky the hair was, how laid my hair was. At this point, it was giving silk press. It was giving it grew up my scalp. Like, let's talk about it. Hairstylist went ahead and did some nice voluminous curls to the wig unit just to really enhance the hair even more. One thing about me, I'm a forever stick beside Ali Pearl. Even before this sponsored video, you guys know I would always get all my wig units from Ali Pearl. So I genuinely do love the wig units and the quality of the lace, the hair, everything is phenomenal. And here are the end results. Everything turned out perfect. Thank you so much for Ali Pearl for sponsoring today's video. And thank you guys for watching. I will see y'all in the next video.
To get over you, I